Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview Pentair Amerlite Underwater Incandescent Pool Light 120 volt 300 watt 150 foot cord. Pentair Amerlite lights, the world standard of reliability for underwater lights, feature a stainless steel shell, 8.375-inch prismatic tempered glass lens. Amerlite lights have a thermal low water cutoff. Create different moods with optional snap-on lens covers in blue, red, and green, available for purchase separately. Amerlite lights are UL listed to install in full-sized Pentair Pool Products, American, PacFab, and Purex niches, and are for use in freshwater with up to 6,000 ppm salinity. Features: stainless steel face ring with Uni-Tension clamp, prismatic tempered glass lens for optimum light diffusion, heat sensing cutoff for low water protection, allows bolt changes without lowering water level, 120 volt and 300 watt 150 foot cord. Read the instructions before installation and use. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.